From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley with today's closing print. The first one of the year, and we're on the close right now. Can you say short squeeze? We can. The S&P futures are up 69 handles, even more, 70 handles since last Friday's 1383.5 low. Let's see, the high of the day just came in right now at 1358 even. I was going to say 1355 half. That would have been up 35.4 handles, but we just flew up. The low came in at 1344 even early mid-morning, and last were 1357.80. Can you believe this? 29 of the Dow, 30 were to buy big size. MOC, we had 1.65 billion to buy. On top of that 1.8 billion they bought on the open. Tomorrow they've got the motor vehicle sales number, they got the MBA purchase apps. They have the Challenger jobs cut report, and they have the ADP report, jobless claims, a 3-year and a 10-year note auction, and last but not least, the FOMC minutes. Not that that's going to mean a lot. But look, you know what? What's going on here is last Friday when the S&P sold off, a lot of the big institutions, a lot of these big hedge funds, they sold S&Ps as a hedge. Now that the S&P's racking up, it's not just new money going in here, but we're seeing these shorts getting squeezed terribly out of the market right now. We'll see it tomorrow on the opening print.